and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back to all my returning subscribers. So in today's video, I will be sublimating a cup for my son using the convection oven. I've been hooked on using this convection oven, guys. Like, I have not used a tumbler press in weeks. And I've also been using the shrink wrap. It also helps so much tighten the design around the cup so that you don't have any ghosting or fading. I'm going to show you guys how that goes. But before I jump right into this video, I did want to give a huge special shout out to Save a Cup for allowing me to partner up with them and sending me some goodies. I will be showing you the cups that they did send me. They do have so many cups to choose from, guys, from kids cups, acrylic cups, sublimation. Like I said, I will be showing you guys the ones that they did send me, but they have many more on their website. If you want to purchase any of their cups, I'm gonna make sure to post my link down below so that you can be able to save some money on whatever cups you will be purchasing from their website. So let me show you guys real quick these beautiful cups, and then we're gonna jump right into making a tumbler for my son, and I'll show you guys the outcome of that and what design I'm using and all that good stuff. When I tell you guys that each and every one of these cups are to die for, I am loving the aesthetic look, the different colors, the variation in sizes. It's just all amazing. And Save a Cup is actually a wholesale drinkware company. So if you're in the crafting community, guys, this website is for you. This company is for you. Their Mars metal and acrylic drinkware are highly popular for personalization. They also offer unique colors and finishes for various crafting techniques, and they offer fast processing time and fast shipping. What I also love about them is that their customer service is hands down the best. They are very friendly. They are hands-on with anything that you need help with and so much more. So if you would like to purchase any of these cups that I am showcasing on my channel right now, you guys can click the link down below in my description box so that you guys can purchase any of these or any other ones that they do have on their website and save some money. Thank you so much once again, Save a Cup, for sending me these crafting goodies to be able to craft and showcase them and share them with my crafting community. So right now I'm just applying the heat resistant tape to my design on the cup. I love using the cup holder and the Pinch Perfect just to give me some more support. And these two items I did purchase from Temu. So I'm just going to continue taping up the image onto the cup as tight as I can. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the shrink wrap. So right now I am about to place the cup into the convection oven at 350 degrees for 6 minutes, and for every 2 minutes I'm going to turn it over for the total 6 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and let this bake, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the cup is done. I'm going to let it cool off. I am going to be taking the wrap off, but let it cool off for a few minutes because it is extremely hot. And as you can see, the image is peeking through, so that's what we want. And then these little pink spots is my gloves. I don't know why it's always doing that, but I'm going to go ahead and take the shrink wrap out, let it cool off for a few minutes, show you guys the outcome. So I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to purchase any of Save a Cup's sublimation cups, acrylic cups, all of that, the link will be down below in my description box. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.